Hey, how's it going guys? This is Fuad. Today I'll talk about a problem that many of you have been recently commenting on my videos, why your pet bird is making squeaking noises. Now this is something different from what birds would normally do. They would sing, they would make various noises and so many sorts of sounds like... Yeah, so it's a different case, so let's talk about it. This could be a reason when your bird is scared. You would see that the beak does something like that. I mean, you get an idea of what I'm talking about. But then as they're doing this process, they're also making that kind of clicking sound as how you would refer. But it could also be a reason for why they're so active, they have been flying so often, for why they're tired, and yeah. In contrast, it could also be a reason when your budgie is too alone, when it's sitting there for a long time, it's very bored and it's making a lot of clicking sounds to gain attention from people. But for most of the time, birds would do that when they're sick or when they're ill. Just adding to that point, I've realized a couple of my birds who died just a few minutes before they were making that squeaking noise. Also, I remember I used to have a cockatiel who died just moments after it was making those kind of clicking sounds, and I could guess that it was in a dying state. So if you encountered this scenario when your bird is making squeaking sounds, yes, I have a video on how to treat your sick birds. You can visit the video over here, and hopefully you can do some treatment to your bird and hopefully your bird will be better. Besides from making squeaking sounds, if your bird is at a dying state, it would usually fluff its feathers or it would move very little, it would stay in a place for a long time, and that's when you need to do some special treatment. So this was the short video talking about why your budgies are making squeaking sounds. If you have any suggestions or any comments or any questions, feel free to comment down below. So with that, I hope you guys get some information for why your budgies are really doing that. And once again, you guys take care of your birds, and I'll see you next time.